how to fix the client-side exception error on Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly resolve this browser error on your Android device. First, close the Chrome app completely and reopen it to see if the error clears on its own. After that, if it persists, long press on the Chrome app icon and tap App Info. From there, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to wipe any corrupted data causing the error. At this point, also tap Clear Data to do a full reset of the browser if clearing the cache alone didn't work. In the next step, open the Google Play Store and check if a Chrome update is available. If so, tap Update and reinstall the latest version. Following this, once updated, reopen Chrome and try loading the page again. Finally, if the error is on a specific website, try opening it in a different browser, like Samsung Internet, to confirm whether the issue is with Chrome or the website itself. And that's it! If this Android guide helped you fix the client-side exception error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.